In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself and your screen in Canva. If you're looking to create engaging presentations or video tutorials, mastering this simple yet essential skill will open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your content. So without further ado, let's dive right into the process. First, you need to ensure that you've logged into your Canva account. If you haven't, go ahead and do that now. With Canva's versatility, having access to it is a great advantage for creating professional looking videos. Once you're logged in, head over to your main dashboard where all your designs are listed. You want to start by locating the Upload section. This is generally the go-to place for adding any type of media to your canvas design, be it images, videos or audio files. Now click on Uploads and you'll find a variety of options available to you. Once you're in the Uploads panel, look for a button labelled Record Yourself. Click on that, and this is where the magic starts. The feature allows you to simultaneously record your webcam view and your screen, which is perfect for any tutorial or presentation where your presence on screen adds a personal touch to your content. Make sure your webcam and microphone are set up and working correctly to ensure a seamless recording experience. Now, after selecting the Record Yourself option, you'll see a preview of your webcam feed. From this point, you have the opportunity to adjust your position within the frame, making sure it's centered and that the lighting is flattering. Good lighting can make a significant difference and enhance the overall quality of your recording. Once you're satisfied with your setup, you're almost ready to start recording. It's time to hit the record button. This part is crucial as it starts capturing your screen and your camera feed simultaneously. A helpful tip here is to have a script or a list of bullet points on hand so you can stay on track with your recording. Speaking clearly and at a steady pace will help keep your audience engaged and ensure they grasp every detail you're trying to convey. When you're done recording, simply click the stop button. Take a moment to review your video, checking for any mistakes or sections you might want to redo. Canva allows you to easily edit and trim recordings, providing a flexible editing environment to fine-tune your finished product. Once you're happy with the recording, it's ready to be incorporated into your design or exported for sharing. And that's it, you've successfully recorded yourself and your screen using Canva. This powerful yet straightforward feature enhances how you convey information, making your presentations or tutorials more personable and effective. Don't forget to keep exploring the multitude of features Canva offers to continually elevate the quality of your content. Happy recording!